This is the strap saddle that goes on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's okay, but it's a little bit bulky, and I've encountered a little bit of not difficulty, but a little bit of a struggle to get it on there. So I found one of these on Amazon. It's one of those propeller holders for the Mini 3 Pro, but it will fit on the Mini 4 Pro. And let's take a look at it. Really simple. Let's see if I can figure this out. I'm going to remove this. Might take me several tries to get it right the first time. Let's see if it's like this. We'll wrap that around. Like so. Now see these two grooves here? They fit under these here. Alright, that makes sense. And let's snap it into place. Well, that fits on like a glove. So this will take up a little bit more real estate in your carrying case, and this will not. And I like this much better. Okay, I thought I'd share that with you guys. You guys take care.